Right, Parliament has suspended its ordinary sittings for at least 40 days amidst the third wave of the coronavirus. The National Assembly will resume plenary sittings on 4th May 2021, while the Senate sittings resume on May 11th, 2021. However, members agreed that all select committees of the House shall continue holding meetings virtually and, where necessary, revert to in-person meetings in strict compliance with the COVID-19 protocols. KTN senior political reporter Patrick Amimo now reports.
The bicameral parliament has come to grips with the third wave of COVID-19 that saw 5 counties declared disease-infected and locked down. It has emerged that a number of MPs are battling the new coronavirus.
Reports coming from the leadership of this parliament is that some of us, a good number of our members, have been affected. And that is true, that is factual. Some are actually fighting for their lives. We cannot just disclose names of members of parliament.
Recent political activities by members were identified as key spreaders of the virus.
We may be culpable when it comes to being super spreaders. You've seen the rallies we've had. You've seen the number of times we have ignored the basic protocols.
We have also let down this country in a big way. In fact, if you look at the rising cases, it's as a result of the many rallies we have been holding, the many meetings we have been having.
Consequently, both the Senate and National Assembly voted unanimously to suspend ordinary sittings for at least 40 days. But committees will continue holding virtual meetings to transact critical House agenda.
Our Constitution contemplates that even in the most difficult times, if there's one body that should sit, it is Parliament. Yes. That is why even the powers of the President to declare an emergency requires parliamentary approval after 14 days.
During normal recess, the House is at liberty to be recalled for any sitting.
Madam Speaker, you know last time we went for recess, some darkness that came where oversight was not going on in this House. You know that we had a KEMSA scandal. And there's a possibility that if we were to close this House without even the committees meeting, there's a possibility that the House will not have an opportunity to intervene if another situation was to occur.
Please console quietly.
We work through plenary or through committees. And if one of them is shut completely and the others are not facilitated to operate within the COVID regulations, so we will have abdicated our responsibility to be out there to work for Kenyans.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
You're watching Newsland here on KTN News and KTN. Many thanks for staying with us. Time for a quick commercial.